Look, I do hire people. I do get help. So it all depends on the song. It all depends on the project. But I have hired musicians, even singers. I do sing myself as well, but I have hired other singers for different kinds of songs. Not all songs are suited, will suit every singer. Okay, so some are meant, like I write them for female vocals, and some are at a higher range or whatever the case may be. Instruments, definitely I hire musicians. Where I hire them is usually I use Air Gigs. Okay, so that's an amazing website. You can hire all kinds of music related services there. So from musicians and to producers, mixers, you name it. Okay, mastering. Okay, so Air Gigs, that's what I use, but there are other services online as well, obviously. But yes, I do get help. Right, so in the beginning, of course, I was doing everything myself, and a lot of you are as well. You got your own little studio like I have here, and I do most of it myself. But you gotta be able to also recognize your weaknesses and where you need help and where the song would benefit with an added perspective or a different instrument that I don't play.